plane just flew into the second tower.
Pray for the ones who don't know. You rejoice for the people who walk from the road. It's all for the ones left below. Did you burst out with pride for the red, white, and blue? The heroes who died just doing what they knew. Did you look up to heaven for some kind of answer and look at yourself and what you singer of simple songs. I'm not a real political man. I watch CNN, but I'm not sure I can tell you the difference in Iraq and Iran. But I know Jesus and I talk to God, and I remember this from when I was young. Faith, hope, and love are some good things He gave us. Greatest is love.
American Airlines Flight 77 crashed into the Pentagon.
Where when the world stopped turning, that's September. Teaching the class full of innocent children, driving down some old stairs. Did you feel guilty because you're a survivor? In a crowded room, did you feel alone? Did you call up your mother and tell her you loved her? Did you dust off that
Authorities at the Somerset County Airport confirm a large plane crash about 80 miles southeast of Pittsburgh.
Did you notice the sunset the first time in ages? Speak to some stranger homes. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from the sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA. Well, there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and being American, where it means I know I'm free, and I won't forget the men who died, who gave their life to me, and I gladly stand up next to you when the fingers still remain, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. My daddy served in the army. We lost his right eye, but he flew a flag out in our yard. Till the day that he died, he wanted my mother, my brother, my sister, and me to grow up and live happy in the land of the free. Now this nation that I love is falling under attack. A mighty sucker punch came flying in from somewhere in the back. Soon as we could see through our big black eye, man, we lit up your world. We'll put a pieces in. Put your name is raining down.
Knock these buildings down. We'll hear all of it soon.